Welcome to Columbia Ship Management Online Academy user guide video on how to open and use your personal account, also to find the course you want to complete, either self-enrolled or blended course, with an instructor. So let's begin. First, you need to open the CSM Online Academy URL link that is sent to you via email. And then click Login. If you are a new user, click Create Account and New Password, type your email as username. Then click Continue. If you happen to forget your password, go to Reset Password to change it. Type your password in the Space tab, then click Continue. Complete the profile information and click Proceed. Go to User Notification to verify the latest course enrolled by the instructor, or you can go to Search Space tab and type the course that you want to visit. Once the course is typed in the search space bar, click the specific course you want to visit. If you are taking the Environmental Compliance Training Test, take note that there are 3 modules in the course: Environmental Compliance, MARPOL and ORB. Click the first module to open the sets of questionnaires. Please note that for you to pass the test, you need to correctly answer at least 70% of the questionnaires per each module. There is a time limit of 1 minute per question, and the quiz includes 1 additional reattempt. If you run out of attempts, you should contact the administrator. Once you've passed, click Detailed Report for the result to be recorded in the system. Take a screenshot of your test result, then send this image to your instructor via email for confirmation of the result record in system. Then you can now proceed to the next module. Click Jump to Next Module. If all module quizzes has been completed and passed, go and click Badges on the left side panel of the screen to view your completed course certificate. Search for your recently completed course badge. Click the PDF file to download the certificate. Open the downloaded PDF file from CSM Online Academy platform. Once certificate has been downloaded, you can now save it to your device. Then send an electronic copy to your respective agency. Thank you for your attention. If you have any further question, please don't hesitate to ask your instructor. Enjoy your training and good luck.